Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and access. First, make a current backup via iCloud or a Finder/iTunes backup. This preserves photos, messages, and settings. Once done, sign out of iCloud and disable Find My iPhone to prevent activation lock. Make sure the device is charged above 50% or plugged into power, and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the reset can complete without interruption. Have your Apple ID credentials ready, because you will need them after the reset. You now execute the reset. Go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. When prompted, confirm the erase and enter your device passcode, then authenticate with your Apple ID to disable activation lock. The phone will restart and show an erasing progress bar. This can take several minutes. Make sure not to force restart or unplug the device while it's erasing, because interrupting this stage can leave the system in an unusable state. Once the reset finishes, you'll see the iOS Setup Assistant. Follow the on-screen steps to restore from your backup or set up as a new device. Make sure to sign back into your Apple ID and re-enable iCloud, Apple Pay, and biometrics like Face ID or Touch ID. If the phone fails to activate or remains stuck during erase, try recovery mode using a Mac or PC and Finder/iTunes, or contact Apple support. This troubleshooting step often resolves activation lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.